You are now tuned in with Trophy. Go Trophy. We can laugh, crack jokes, be open. Go Trophy. Only with Trophy.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a wig review for Megalook hair. These are all of the goodies they sent in the package. They sent over this little strip that you can use on your wig if you don't want to use the glue, and also an elastic band that you can add to the wig. And I'm showing you guys what the wig looks like. I did go ahead and bleach the knots, and I did pluck it a little bit, and this is the construction of the wig. This is the 13x4 airy cap wig, so you guys can see in the middle it like has space where you can get air in, like if you want to scratch or whatever, so that your hair can kind of breathe. And then the back is wefted and it doesn't have any clips or anything in it. And then of course in the front is 13x4 lace. This lace, you guys, is very soft, thin, if that makes sense to describe it, because whenever I was plucking the hair I was like, oh, this is some good lace. It's nice, soft and thin, and that's what we need. So I'm just trying on the wig to see how it looks. I always do that. And then I went ahead and cut the lace, and I cut the ear tabs off, and now I am going to tint the lace so that it can match my skin tone. I'm using the Even tinting spray, and then I am pushing it in with a little brush. And now I am going to cut the lace off in a zigzag motion really close to the hairline. And then we're going to put the wig back on, because now we are ready to install. I'm just brushing all of the hair and clipping it out of the way so that it doesn't get in the way whenever I lay the wig down. I'm going to be using my Even Lace Wonder Bond spray. I love this stuff, and I'm just gonna spray the hairline. I spray it 2 layers, so I do the first layer and then I blow dry it on cool, and then I do a second layer, and then I'm going to lay the wig down and push it in with my rat tail comb. And then I'm gonna go in and spot spray any spots that I see aren't laying down all the way, because I want my wig to be nice and flat. And then I'm gonna go over with the blow dryer. Before I add the elastic band, I want all of that area, the lace and everything, to be completely
Okay, now that the
dry.
wig
is laid, I'm gonna go in with the elastic band, and I'm going to let that sit on there for about 5 minutes. And in the meantime, I'm going to play with the hair, and I'm going to add a couple layers just in the front. Y'all, my scissors were terrible, so don't mind my scissors. So I'm brushing the hair out first, and then I'm going to add a couple layers in the front just to frame my face. Really, I wouldn't even consider it layers. I'm just framing my face a little bit in the front. Now I'm going to use the hot comb to lay the hair in the front nice and flat. Okay, now that the wig had a little time to melt, I'm gonna go and pull out the hair from my baby hairs, and then we are going to swoop it. And I use the Nairobi mousse to swoop it. I know, y'all, I'm not the best baby hair person, but this works for me, okay? I like to do 2 swoops on each side, and then I'm done. I did have to go back and lay a couple spots on the wig down a little bit more. That always happens like on my sideburns. So a trick that I recently learned is using spritz to help melt the lace even more. So I love this step, and both times that I've done this step, my wigs have laid and they look so much better. So definitely try this. And then of course I'm going to go in with the blow dryer, because once I add the spritz, I also want it to be completely dry, because I am about to add the elastic band again so it can melt some more while I finish styling the hair. And then that little wipe that I'm using is an alcohol wipe, so I just use that little alcohol wipe to get rid of any residue or anything that may, you know, drip down on my forehead and whatnot. Okay, now we are going to make the curls pop. I am spraying the hair with water and I'm brushing it out with my powder brush. Now I'm adding a little bit of my Nairobi mousse to the hair, and then I'm going to clip the hair out of the way and let it air dry for the most part. I went ahead and let it air dry until it was like 90% dry, and then of course y'all know I am impatient, so I couldn't wait anymore. I had stuff to do, so I went ahead and took the clips out, and then I'm going to blow dry the hair on medium heat. And I kind of like the effect that it gave when I blow dried it, because it made the hair a lot bigger. As you see, when I'm blow drying, I try not to manipulate the curls much, because I don't want the hair to get frizzy or puffy, because if you do too much manipulating, then it's going to make it like frizzy and puffy, and I didn't want that. Okay, now I'm going to take off my elastic band and just separate the curls a little bit. And then once I was doing all this, look at it. Oh yeah, that did help me get some volume too. So when I noticed when I was doing that, I did have a couple little damp spots in the middle, so I'm just going back in with my blow dryer, and that's it, y'all. That is the styling of this wig. This wig is so pretty. This is the completed look. I love this loose, deep wave. The curls are so pretty and chunky, my favorite type of curls. The hair is nice and thick. You get a lot of hair on your cap. As you can see, it has a lot of body, a lot of movement. I'm showing you guys how I showed you guys how long it is on me. This hair is so soft and pretty, and the lace is amazing. I absolutely love it, and I would definitely recommend this curly unit to you guys. So yeah, if you guys are interested in this wig or any other wig from Megalook Hair, I will have all the information down below in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Don't slip on the trip.